What's up, everyone? Shari here from the Brooklyn Speed. We have a 1988 R100 RT motorcycle available for sale. We spent the past couple weeks here and there tweaking it and then doing the service, fixing the broken parts about it. There wasn't much really, to be honest. It was well kept up until this point. It has a couple scuffs and shows its age here and there, but really generally it's mechanically really well machined. It's sitting at 76,000 miles as of right now, which indicates that this machine was taken care of in order to take up all those miles. So we're selling it right now. It is going to be reasonably priced. Right now on the East Coast, there isn't much available about these big 1000cc airheads. And I think it should be a pretty good deal for those who are interested in one of these. It's running, working perfectly fine. What we did was basically the service of carb cleanup and tune, spark plugs. We rebuilt the front calipers. They were old and just leaky. Throw in a new battery, proper size battery, and just a couple small stuff clean up as well. Gonna start it up for you guys. It's cold right now. Let's see, choke up. Starts pretty easy. Fully closed. Doesn't have any smoke. That's it. That's that big ass horn. That broken piece. Yeah, so it's pretty healthy machine. Cosmetic, we didn't really spend much. I have the front fender, I just didn't put it after I rebuilt the calipers. But what I was saying, yeah, cosmetically I didn't spend much time on it because it had this dent over here and it had a broken part on the rear seat area here and in the back, somewhere here. So I didn't really want to spend much time on the cosmetics. I just wanted to have this as a reliable daily rider or a very good basis for those who want to customize it, because it is running really well. As you heard, it doesn't smoke, it doesn't burn oil, it doesn't leak. It's just a very good motorcycle. All the stuff is working. I just showed you the horn, signals, high beam, low beam. It even has that emergency flashing, strobing high beam. The clock is working, strange enough, so that's a good addition. You just need to adjust that. Other than that, that's it. Yeah, if you guys are interested, let me know, and she'll be ready to go. Thank you very much.